Hello everyone and welcome back to Sewing Adventures, a channel all about sewing. So this video is all about making different scrunchies. They're so easy to make, they're so simple and they're so quick. So I decided to make some of my monkey fabric just because I still got some fabric left, and I made a lanyard before, and now I'm gonna make a scrunchie. But I also use this beautiful velvet fabric, and it's so nice. Now I don't have enough hair to use it, but I'm sure that my family will be more than pleased to have them, and they're so simple and easy that anyone can do it. So if you like this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe because it helps my little channel grow. So let's go. I will start by folding back around 2 inches of fabric. Using some plastic clippers, the Amazon link is below in the description if anyone is interested. I will hold the hem together. I will give it a good press to hold it together. The measurements I used were 50 centimeters long by 10 centimeters wide. I will recommend using 42% of your fabric length for the elastic. In this case, it's 21 centimeters with 1 centimeter to do the knot. Sew the open side using a back stitch at the beginning and at the end. Fold the fabric inside out . And insert the elastic and tie 3 knots to secure it together. Then we're gonna close it up by inserting the raw end under the hem . Finally, to close it, sew a straight line using matching thread color.